Hi, friends. A big hello to everyone. And this is Mona Lisa on behalf of Karigori Hat. And today is the first time that I have come on my YouTube channel with a video where I'm showcasing my collections. And there will be such videos from time to time on my YouTube channel where I will be showing you a lot of new collections, new arrivals, and there will also be saris which are on discounts. Okay, so please do subscribe to my channel to get these updates from time to time, and to make sure that you don't miss out on any of these beauties. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. Today our first sari is a beautiful white and red sari which is in pure khadi cotton. Now, white and red is a traditional sari of Bengal, which is now preferred all over India because I get a lot of requests from women of various states to show them saris in traditional, which is in traditional Bengali white and red combination. Okay, so this one is for all of you, for Bengalis or for women from other states who are looking for beautiful white and red traditional Bengali combination sari. Okay, this is in pure khadi cotton and this is totally hand woven. This is a border which is entirely hand woven. I will open the sari and show it to you so that you get a complete idea of how the sari is. This is the pallu portion. Okay, so when you drape it, basically this is how it would look. See, this narrow border will be on the top and this big border, the broad border, will be at the bottom. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu. I hope you all can see it properly. See, it has lovely tassels towards the end. Okay, and the entire sari goes like this. So you can just team it up with a beautiful red blouse, and this would look just awesome. A beautiful traditional red and white sari from Bengal. This material is very soft, very comfortable. You can wear it in any season, even in the scorching heat. In summers, this would make a great comfortable wear. The material is very, very soft, very soft. Okay, it's in pure khadi cotton, pure handloom, pure hand weaved sari. Okay, so this is our sari number 1. You can take a screenshot now. Okay, and for all the saris, I would like to mention that please do take a screenshot. I will definitely mention the sari number, like this is sari number 1. Okay, still I would suggest that you take a screenshot so that there is no confusion, when you WhatsApp me. So if you want to book any sari, take a screenshot and WhatsApp me, and my number is 9123775200. Okay, please do take a screenshot and send it in my WhatsApp number if you want to book any sari. Okay, you can mention the sari number, but even if you don't, that will not make a difference if you send me the screenshot. Okay, because this will not have any confusion. If you send me this screenshot, it will be very clear that you would like to book this sari, this particular sari. Okay, so instead of mentioning the sari number, it will be more helpful if you can take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number, which I have mentioned just now. And once again, I'm telling it to you. It will be in the description portion also. It's 9123775200. Okay, so this is our sari number 1, a red and white khadi cotton hand weaved sari with a big border which is totally hand woven. All right. So I'm removing this now and I will move on to our next sari. Now this is once again a khadi cotton. Okay. So first of all, I would like to tell you that this is not linen, okay, and this khadi cotton is not mixed with any linen. So don't get confused with khadi linen or linen khadi. All right. So linen cotton, as anybody would call it, but this is pure khadi, okay, with this beautiful weavings done. I'll give you a close up. You can see those beautiful weaves done on the sari. Okay, see, those beautiful weaves are done on the sari. Okay, I hope I can show it clearly to you. They are in orange and green, triangles in orange and green. And now I would show you the pallu. This is the pallu. Okay, so when you drape it, I'm just showing you by putting it on me so that you get a basic idea of how it would look. So once again, you can take a screenshot at this time. This is sari number 2, which is a khadi cotton sari with beautiful weaves done on the pallu, and it's going like this on the sari as well, on the body of the sari as well, till here. Okay, you can see it's on the, this is the body of the sari. Okay, so this is how it is going all over the body of the sari, and this is the orange border on either side of the sari. You see, there's a hot pink, and this is the very nice orange color on either side of the sari. And here you have 2 bars like this on the pallu, and again these triangle motifs, and again a bar running. And at the bottom, of course, there will be tassels, beautiful tassels. Okay, so this is our sari number 2, khadi cotton sari, pure khadi cotton, pure hand weaved once again, and these motifs are all hand woven. These are not printed, not machine done. Okay, so these are all hand weaved. These motifs which you see on the pallu and all over the body, these are all hand weaved, and the price of the sari will be 1250. Okay, I have forgotten to mention the price of sari number 1. Price of sari number 1 is 1500 or rupees 1500. Okay, but particularly if you book it today itself, it will be 150 rupees less than the price that I mentioned. That is 1500 minus 150 rupees. That is only for today's booking. Okay, it will not be applicable if you book it tomorrow. In case it is available, and if you book it tomorrow, it will not, this 150 rupees discount will not be applicable. Okay, please do not request me to give this discount on Monday, Tuesday, or later on at any point of time if the sari is not sold and is available. Okay, so this red and white sari which I showed you showed you before this one, which was sari number 1, is at 1500 minus 150. This 150 rupees is a discount, 150 rupees is a discount which is valid only for today. Okay, only for today's bookings, and bookings are confirmed only upon payment. If you do not make the payment, your verbal bookings will not be considered as a confirmed booking. Okay, so please do make a proper booking so that you get the sari. Otherwise the sari will move on to someone else who does a confirmed booking. All right, and for all these saris, whoever books this first, whoever does a confirm booking first, the sari will go to that particular person. I will be reading messages on my WhatsApp or on my Facebook as per time. Okay, and whoever message or confirmation comes first, I will give a confirmation to that person, and then when that person makes a payment, then that person's booking is confirmed. Okay, so that is how it goes. I mentioned the process, so you can take a screenshot now. This is sari number 2, which is a pure khadi cotton sari, hand woven in hot pink and orange with triangle motifs, which is again hand weaved. And the price of this sari is 1250 rupees. Okay, once again, for this sari, there is a discount of 150 rupees only for today's bookings. Okay, only for bookings done today, Sunday, 7th of August, sorry, 9th of August 2020. This sari will be available at 1250 minus 150 rupees. Okay.
8th August.
So I'm removing this sari number 2. Sari number 3. This is the same sari which I have showed you as sari number 2. This is sari number 3, but this is in a different color. See, this is a very elegant color, very elegant sari. The body is white, and the triangle motifs, white is my favorite. You can see that I'm wearing a white sari. White, black, these are my favorite colors. Whenever I see a sari which is in white or black, I feel like grabbing it for myself. All the time I feel like wearing white saris and black saris. So this is also my very favorite. This sari I love. Okay, so this is white sari, white base with, see, this border is not same on both side like the previous one. Here one side border, which is the upper portion, is in orange, and the other side border, which is the bottom portion, is in gray color. Okay, and the bar is also in alternate orange and gray. This is not black. Okay, this is only in the border portion it appears black, but this is gray. Okay, and the motifs also are in it's orange and black. Okay, as you can see, this is the pallu, and this is towards the end of the pallu. Okay, see, the bar is again same like as you have seen here. So this is the sari. You can take a screenshot at this point of time. Okay, all right. This is very comfortable. See, the sari is on me. I can feel it even on top of my sari. I can feel that this is so comfortable because this is totally hand woven, pure khadi cotton. These motifs and everything that you see in the sari are purely hand woven. This is a pure handloom sari. Okay, and these motifs, as I have shown you in the previous sari also, they run all over the body. Okay, these triangle motifs, they run all over the sari. You can see that the border, see, there's orange, and there's a thin piping of gray color also. Here it is alternated. The thicker one is in gray and the narrower one is in orange. Okay, so this portion, the gray with the orange, with the thin orange, will be here on top, and the Orange with a thin gray will be at the bottom. Okay, see, this is a lovely one. I love it. Okay, this is our sari number 3, which is again priced at 1250, but just for bookings which are done today, that is Sunday 9th of August, the price will be 1250 minus 150. This 150 rupees discount is available only for bookings done today. All right, it is available on sari number 1, which I showed you, which is a red and white khadi. It is available on sari number 2, which I showed you is hot pink and orange, and it is available on sari number 3, which is white with orange and gray. All the 3 saris that I have shown you so far are 1250 minus 150. Discount is available only for today and for confirmed bookings only. If you just verbally confirm it today and you pay tomorrow, this won't be applicable. Okay, whenever you are confirming, make sure that you confirm it with the payment. Only then your discount will be available. Okay, and one more thing here I'll show you, which is really lovely. You see, I'll put it on the white so you can see the pom-poms. They are in lovely hot pink and orange alternated, so it looks lovely. You can just pair it with an orange blouse or even a hot pink blouse. All these saris, they do have a blouse piece which is running, that is white with the borders. You can make a blouse piece out of this also, or you can wear a contrast blouse piece or anything like an orange or gray or hot pink with this sari. It would look lovely. So blouse designs, you can make it as you wish, so that the sari opens up more, because lovely blouses make the saris look even more prettier. Okay, moving on to our sari number 4. This is again a khadi cotton in a different color. Okay, the body is black. One more of my favorite, black. All right, so I will just put it on myself so that you can understand. This is our sari number 4. Okay. Which is a khadi cotton sari. The body is black. The border, one side is orange with a pink piping. Okay, I hope I can show this to you properly. Orange with a pink piping, and this portion, which is at the bottom, has a thick pink border with a narrow orange border. Okay, and the motifs are also alternated in the same way with orange and pink. Okay, I think I'll have to bring this more down so that you can see the pallu portion properly, because I'm not standing and I'm in a sitting position, so I'll have to bring this down. Otherwise, keep your pallu long, it looks nice. See, this is the bar that is going, which is pink, orange and pink. Okay, and then these are the motifs, and moving more towards down towards the end of the sari, it's again pink, orange and pink, and the lovely pom-poms alternated in orange and pink. So this is once again a beautiful sari. The material I've already mentioned twice before this. It's khadi cotton and it's very, very comfortable, very comfortable. Believe me, if you wear this sari in summer, it's hot and humid in our country for most of the time, of the year. So this sari will be a very comfortable wear for you for any season, be it summer, be it rainy, be it winter, any season you wear it. This is very, very comfortable to drape, easy to drape, comfortable to wear. Okay, so go for this. Again, the price is 1250 and 150 rupees discount on 1250, which is 1250 minus 150 is the price for this sari for bookings done today. From tomorrow, it will be 1250 once again. If it is available, then you can purchase it at 1250 from tomorrow onwards. Okay, you can take a screenshot now of sari number 4. Okay, all right, so I'm removing this. One more color in this. I have showed you 3 colors already in khadi cotton. This is the 4th color, and I have one more color in this. So there are total 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3 have showed you already. This is 4, and there will be another one, 5. 5 khadi cotton colors I have. Okay. So putting it on me. This would be the pallu. Okay. You see the bar in orange, pink and orange. The base is teal green, a very soothing color, very soothing to the eyes in summer, very soothing to wear in summer, very comfortable material, very soft and very easy to drape. The fall is very nice. Okay, so the same thing, the motifs are all hand woven. In this case it's orange and pink alternated. Okay, again the same thing, it's all over the body. As you see, the sari also has a blouse piece, definitely, but it's in running. So go for a hot pink or orange blouse with this, it would look lovely. It would look even better if you go for these colors, you know. I am wearing a white blouse though. So see, so many sarees, I cannot wear a matching blouse. So like this, and you can take the screenshot now. Okay, I hope you are done. All right, this is our sari number 5. I'm done with 3 of them and 1 red and white. So 4 are done. This is sari number 5, which is a khadi cotton in teal green. Okay, same thing, hand woven, very soft, very comfortable. I'm not repeating the words again and again. See, it's so comfortable. So this is again 1250 minus 150 for today. From tomorrow it's 1250 if it's available. This is also a very bright color for those who like bright yet soothing colors. This is just the perfect one for you. You see, lovely yellow, but it's not scorching yellow. See, still it is so bright. This is a specialty of handloom. The colors are not loud, but it's bright. If you want to wear a bright sari in summer, go for this. See, these colors are looking lovely on the pallu. The pink, green, pink. The motifs are also in green and in pink. I hope you can see it. So you can take a screenshot at this time. And now you can take a screenshot. Okay. This sari. Our sari number 5. Pure khadi cotton. See, this is looking lovely. Very pretty sari. And lovely bright yellow with hot pink and green alternate borders, which will be here and here, as was in all the previous saris. And the lovely pom-poms. See, these are pretty pom-poms. I love the pom-poms. Soft pink and yellow. I fall in love with handloom saris whenever I see them. I feel like wearing all of them. Okay, so this was our sari number 5, the last in the khadi cotton collection out of 5, priced at 1250. Sorry, I think I have said the sari number wrong. It is sari number 6. The yellow one was sari number 6. Okay. The teal one was sari number 5, the teal green, and the yellow was sari number 6. Okay. And price is 1250 minus 150 rupees discount for today. Okay. One more thing that I would like to mention here is that for all these saris that you are seeing in this video today, COD is not available. Okay, COD is not available in any part of the country. Only for these saris. I'm not saying for all the saris on my page or something. For these saris, COD is not available in any part of the country because it'll be confirmed only upon payment. And once you have made the payment, that means COD is not applicable. Okay, and one more thing which I would like to mention is that shipping for these saris is free in Kolkata only. Apart from Kolkata, whether it goes to any other part of West Bengal or any other part of this country, okay, any other state of this country, the shipping has to be borne by the buyer. Okay, so you please do take the screenshot and send it to me in my WhatsApp and send me your location. I will be able to tell you what will be the shipping cost for your location. Just mention the location, like it's Hyderabad or it's Bangalore or it's Chennai, like that. Whatever your location is, Delhi, Mumbai, whatever your location is, just mention your location and I will be able to tell you the shipping cost. Okay, and it also depends on how many saris you are purchasing. If it's one sari and it comes under 500 grams, so shipping will be a certain amount, and if you're purchasing 2 or more saris and if it goes beyond 500 grams and below 1 kilogram, then there is another slab, it goes to another slab and the shipping cost will vary. Okay, so right now I will not be able to tell you the shipping cost in that way unless and until I know your location and how many saris you're purchasing. That is, according to weight, I'll be able to tell you the price, the shipping cost actually. So that's it about the shipping. And if you would like to know anything more about shipping, so please do write to me in WhatsApp. I will explain you in more detail. So moving on to our sari number 7. Moving on to our sari number 7. Now khadi cotton I'm done with. This is a pure linen sari. Okay, now this has got no khadi mix, no cotton mix. Okay, this is a pure linen sari. Please understand the difference between a pure organic linen sari and a khadi cotton sari or a linen cotton sari. Khadi cotton is made with khadi cotton, and linen cotton is a mix of linen and cotton. Okay, but this is pure organic linen sari, which is linen by linen and does not have any khadi mix in it. The moment you have cotton mix in it, the texture varies. Okay, the texture of the sari will vary. It will not be so soft. Okay, the softness will vary and the price will also go down considerably. So please do not get confused. Do not get misleaded. This is a pure organic linen sari. These are all high count saris. These are not 60 count, 80 count, but are 120 count saris. So these saris will be very soft, very comfortable. Okay, anytime wear. You just I would suggest you just purchase one pure linen sari from me, and you just feel the difference of wearing any other sari in summer. Okay, because these are extremely comfortable. Linen saris are my personal favorites. See, today also I am wearing a linen sari. This is in white and black though, because white and black is my favorite color, as I've told you. But this is again a linen sari which I find it extremely comfortable. And there are numerous linen saris that I have, which I keep wearing all the time because it's one of my favorite material. The texture is very soft, very soft, and it's so elegant. It's just going to add a different look. Just accessorize it properly with some handmade jewelries. Okay, whether you take it from me or you take it from someone else, just accessorize it with some handmade jewelries, and do a proper makeup. So this will just look too elegant. This is in pure linen, and these are all hand woven. The sari is hand woven. The design, as you can see, this is the top portion and this is the bottom portion. See, such lovely flowers are here. You have yellow flowers, green flowers, and these are all zari weaved. These are not printed or anything like that. See, these are all zari weaved. And this you have all over the sari. It's not that it's just this much. You see, it's up to here, this one. So as much as it can be seen, you will have this design. And for the lower portion, your total pleats and everything will have this design. You see, all over. It's just the inner portion which you wrap inside. It's not there, that it's not required even, because that won't show. Otherwise, for the rest of the sari, this is how it goes. This has a dark green border. After this is this color, what I would say, this is not red, this is not orange, but this is in Bengali we call it Dudhe Alda. Those who are Bengali here would understand. So screenshot time for this beautiful linen jamdani. Our sari number 7. This is the pallu. You see, this is totally hand woven in zari, and the lovely tassels below it. Okay, this sari was for 3,000 and above. Okay, but this is the sari from which our sale starts, and I will tell you where it ends. Okay, so this is the first sari in our sale section today, which is sari number 7, a linen jamdani. For today, the price is 2750. 2750 is the price on sale today. But yes, this will not end today. This will be there tomorrow also, and day after tomorrow also, unless and until the stock lasts. Okay, so this 2750 is the price for this sari, which is on sale, and its actual price was above 3,000. Okay, and this is the BP, or the blouse piece. Okay, so you can purchase this sari at 2750 now from Karigori Hat, which is a real low price for this sari. So this is our sale item number 1. This is the BP, and this is the pallu. Okay, so sale item number 1, sari number 7. Just take the screenshot, because with so many numbers you can get confused. So sale item number 1, sari number 7, is a linen jamdani. The price will be 2750 until stocks last. Okay, moving on to our sale item number 2. Sari number 8. I have to refer for the sari number because I'm lost in the saris, and using count on the numbers. Okay. This is our sari number 8. A linen jamdani once again. You can take the screenshot now. I'll describe the sari. Alright. This is sari number 8. A linen jamdani. Just look at the work done. Just take a look. It's so pretty. So pretty. This is on the upper portion. This is a lovely, I don't know what color the camera is showing, but this is a lovely yellow color. A lovely yellow color. Lemon yellow. And this is the lower portion. This is the lower portion. Look at the border. It's so pretty. This is a lovely yellow. I think the camera is not able to take the proper color because of light condition. The color is showing something different. Okay. So this is a lovely bright lemon yellow color. Alright. And this is the border. Once again, the sari is totally hand woven. The designs, the motifs that you see are completely hand woven. Okay. This is the sari. This is the upper portion. Okay. See, it is still here. And for the lower portion, that means the sari will go like this till here. This design will show entirely. Okay. After you tuck in here, the design is not going to show. So there is where the sari design ends and it becomes plain. Okay. It is still here where the pallu will be, this portion will be, and till here where you tuck in the sari. Okay. And the lower portion will be throughout. Okay. Like this. The pleats and all. See, this is much more lengthier all over. Just like the previous one I showed you, this too is all over. See, till here, excepting the very inner portion where we wrap the sari. Alright. So this beautiful linen jamdani at a price of 2750, sale item number 2 and sari number 8. Okay, sari number 8, sale item number 2, linen jamdani priced at 2750, offer valid till the stock is available. Okay, I haven't showed you the pom-poms of this sari. I will show you that because that's a special attraction. You see the lovely pom-poms, the colors. It's in pretty baby pink and the same lemon yellow as in the sari, alternated. Lovely pom-poms. They look lovely on the sari because you see the motifs here, the flowers. There they have this pink. They have used this pink. Here the flower is pink. Here the branch, the leaves are in pink. So like that. Alternated, some are white flowers with pink branch and these are pink flowers with white branch. Lovely. See, the blue and yellow combination is a very bright, very pretty combination. So team it up with a blue blouse. This sari has a blue blouse piece. This sari has a blue blouse piece. I haven't showed you that. See, this is the blouse piece. This is in dual tone actually. It's in yellow and blue, a dual tone, and this blue border. You can use this or you can just use a pretty blue blouse which will look just gorgeous, you know, with this sari. Okay. Moving on to our next linen jamdani, which is sari number 9. Yes, I'm correct. Sari number 9, sale item number 3. Okay. Again, red and white combination, the evergreen combination, because red and white, we Bengalis just love it. And now everyone loves it, I suppose, because as I have told you, that many people outside West Bengal who are not Bengalis, they ask me, do you have a Bengali red and white sari? So, and they actually wear it, It looks lovely on everyone. Why only Bengalis? It looks lovely just on everyone. This just needs to have a red blouse, the sari, and some red bindi like this. You can wear a smaller one if you don't like bigger ones. I love bigger ones, so you'll always find me putting big bindis on my forehead. Okay, see, look at the pretty work. There is yellow also. This is golden yellow. Okay, this is golden zari. Not exactly yellow. It's golden zari. Here also you have golden zari. Here also you have golden zari. And you see again there is a red piping which makes the sari look very pretty, very, very pretty. A beautiful red and white sari. See, look at the design. If you just wear it with a red blouse, see, look at the elegance. If you wear it like this, see, my lipstick and my bindi is going with it. Only if I would have worn a red blouse, it would have looked perfect. Okay, so you can take a screenshot. I will give you the screenshot time. I don't know what is going to happen in Durga Puja this year because of this pandemic going on. But definitely we women, Bengali women, will wear one new sari each day. That's for sure. Starting from Shoshti to Dashami, we need one new sari every day. So 5 saris at least. And if we plan to wear 2 saris in a day, then 10 saris for puja. But one sari every day is a must for we Bengalis. So this red and white sari for Durga Puja is a perfect match. It's just a perfect fit. It's so cool. You can wear it throughout the day if you want. If you are in case able to go out during the daytime, okay, wear it on the Ashtami day, wear it on the Shoshti day. This is just a perfect one, okay. And even if you are not able to go out, just planning to drape a sari on Ashtami morning, this is a lovely one. This is indeed a lovely one. This is a pallu, okay. Pallu is in full red, and the pom-poms, lest I forget, white and red, okay. This is a golden zari. See, white, red and golden. What else you need? Just wear some gold accessories. If not gold in golden at least. See, this is the blouse piece. You can use this, but I will suggest wear a solid red blouse with this. Solid red, just like the color of my bindi, a solid red or a red Banarasi blouse. Okay, then this sari would look even lovelier. Instead of you can keep the blouse piece aside, you can just cut it and keep it aside, but I will suggest that you wear something like that. Okay, so this is our sari number 9. Sari number 9, sale item number 3. You can take a screenshot now. Priced at 2750. Till stock is available. The border I am not showing, or I would show you. It's the same thing. The distance I mean. Till you tuck in at the top and the bottom. The pleats and all. Will have this border. Okay. Now, one more linen jamdani, because today our episode in our episode, we are giving sale on the linen Jamdani saris. So those who are planning to gift saris also during the upcoming festival, whether it's Durga Puja or Diwali or anything else, so you can just give this as a gift. And I tell you, anybody you gift it to would love it, would simply love this linen jamdanis. Just go for them. They are beauty to look at, comfortable to wear in every way. Wow, this is black and this is nice. Okay, so this is our sari number 10. A linen jamdani, price is same, 2750. Look at this work, this golden color. It's coming up so good on black. It's showing so prominently, you know. See, this has a broad border. You see, look at the flowers. They're coming out so lovely on black. This is pure black, okay, no gray or something. If the camera is showing pure black, yes, I think. Here you have pink, here you have some golden color, you know. So this lovely branches and green, orange, pink flowers. Overall, this one is again a lovely piece. Black lovers, black sari lovers, this is your perfect choice. Okay, so this is screenshot, please. Make sure that you are sending me the screenshot. You can send me the sari number, that's okay, but this is the best thing. Please take a screenshot to make your booking. Okay, this is our sari number 10, priced at 2750, valid till the stock is available. This is the border. Okay. Same thing. It will look lovely on the pleats, I tell you, because see, look at the length of the border. Can you see? I know it's ulta, but you can see the length, right? This way I'll show you. This is straight away. So if this when my camera is not coming down because it's fixed. So when this goes in the pleats, you know, when you drape the sari and it goes like this on top, and when this bigger design, when it goes on the pleats, this is just awesome, I tell you. Just it's very elegant, it's very awesome. Okay, and this has tassels, black color tassels, and this is the blouse piece. You can use this as a blouse piece because this is a very good contrast for this sari. Okay, very good contrast. So we are done with sari number 10, linen jamdani 2750. Now this sari number 11 is a very smart sari. Okay, sari number 11, this is a sari which you can wear to office if you have any meeting or something like that, some corporate meeting. This is a very smart sari for that purpose. Of course, you can wear it for any other purpose also, but I'm specifically mentioning that purpose because many of you ask me for such saris which you can wear to a corporate meeting, office meeting. See, this is the pallu. This is towards the end of the pallu, the tassels, and here there is a shimmer. Okay, this won't dazzle. This is not dazzling. You see, I'm in full light, but this is not dazzling. Okay, this is just a shimmer, and the stripes on the sari, they are very smart, very smart. This, if you wear it if you pin up the sari or you keep it like this, either way, this will look very smart. So if you need a linen sari for your official meetings, corporates, this is the one. Even teachers and any work related purpose, this sari would serve well. And anyone who is looking for a smart sari, a very smart sari, this grey color linen, it's again pure linen, no cotton mix. See, all the linen saris that I'll be showing you today, they do not have any cotton mix or synthetic mix or any mix, okay? They are pure linen by linen, 100 count or 120 count. You can ask me the count. It's most of them are 120 count, okay? They are not 60-80 counts. So these linen saris will be very comfortable to wear. All right, so this is, I may not tell you the statement for each and every linen sari, but this is a generic statement which goes for all my linen saris. This is how the body goes. Okay, all over there are stripes like this all over. It's not missing or it's not distanced. All over the sari, just like this. Okay, and this is the BP. You can once again make the blouse out of this piece. This will make a lovely contrast and will look very smart. Or if you have any beige color blouse, then you can use it along with this, or even a black would go with a black blouse. So this was our sari number 11, a linen sari, a pure linen sari, and the cost of the sari is 2750. Once again, 2750 was our sari number 11. So from sari number 7 we have started our sale items. 7, 8, 9, 10 I have showed you. This was 11. Okay, all these saris are on sale and the price is 2750, valid till stocks last. And one more thing I would like to tell you, the saris that I am showing today are all single pieces. Okay, please do not request me to get another piece if it is sold out, or please do not request me that give me a red color in this, or give me another yellow color in this, or any other color. Okay, because these are all single pieces and I will not be able to make another yellow color sari or red color sari for the black one I showed you or for the white one I showed you. Okay, so I will not be able to make another design, any color that you love or any design that you love. I will not be able to make another color in that. Okay, so that won't be possible for me. Excuse me, that won't be possible for me because these are all single pieces. Okay, so please do not come up with this request. All right, I'm telling you beforehand. Once again, a white sari, but this has, look at the pallu. If I drape it, I don't know I'll be able to show you properly or not. Look at the flower. Okay, I'll stand up and show you the pallu. This is the pallu and these are the pom-poms. See, it's multicolor pom-poms. There is green, there is purple, there is orange. See, a magenta pink and orange. This sari, if it does not have a white base, these colors will not come up. Okay, see how lovely it looks. Just wear a beautiful orange or hot pink blouse. I suppose many of you have it, have these colored blouses. See, it's just lovely. The design, it has come out so well in white. It's come out so well. See, look at the flowers. They are looking so bold yet so subtle because it is on white. So for all of you who love, it's still here, okay? The other half is plain. So for all of you who love these flowers on white, white saris and these designs, they're looking so beautiful. Just go for it. Okay. See, this pallu, you hang it low, but since my camera is fixed here, so I'm showing it to you in this way. You can take a screenshot. This is how the sari looks. Okay. So this one is a pure white linen sari with Jamdani work done, pure hand woven. The work is totally handcrafted. Okay, and the price of the sari is 3,000 rupees. This was also priced at a higher range, but now the sari will come at 3,000 rupees only. Now we are done with sari number 12. Now we are going on to sari number 13. This black has a lovely combination of orange and magenta. This will be the pallu portion. All right. See. This will be the pallu portion. This is called Korat Jamdani, okay? And this is totally hand woven on pure 100 count linen sari, okay? This is in black. The color is black. It's, no, my white is not matching. Okay, so this is the pallu, okay? Pom-poms are in pink, magenta pink. The blouse piece is also in magenta pink. And look at these lovely flowers. Okay, in orange and in pink. This black Jamdani, this is for 2950. Sari number 13, 2950. You can take a screenshot. At any point of time, you can take a screenshot. I'm just giving a moment for the screenshot for each and every sari, so that just in case I am moving and you're not able to take the screenshot, so I'm giving you a moment for it. Okay, so now also you can take a screenshot. I'll be able to understand which sari you're talking about. Okay, so here you go. Once again, this magenta Jamdani work that you see, this is all hand woven. You see, these are all hand work, pure handloom, soft material. You wear this 100 count, 120 count linen ones. Same thing, it will be covering your entire pleat, and just see this much portion from the BP. You do not have the design. So it's this BP starts here. This much you do not have the design, which means that it is just the first wrap. Not even the first wrap. It will go from here to maybe halfway through or something like that, because it's only this much. Okay, here's the inner wrap. So this linen sari, on the upper portion it has orange, and on the lower portion it has magenta work, magenta weaved, magenta color weaved work. This sari, sari number 13, is for 2950. Okay, this is for 2950. This is again till you tuck in. Okay, so I'm removing this. Sari number 13, linen Korat Jamdani, is for 2950. Now there are Korat Jamdanis available in the market which has a lower linen count, you know, on linen cotton mixed. You might find the price way below this, but considering the quality that I'll be giving, it's the price is very justifiable. Okay, moving on to our sari number 14. This is having the same korat work, but I will show you the speciality of this. This is a different, this has a different concept than the previous one. See, I'm showing you different type of saris. So the saris, they have different designs, different colors, different concepts. So I'm sure you would love each of these, but take the one which you have loved the best. Okay, so here is our sari number 14. Look at this Jamdani work. Do you see? It's so beautiful. And this light orange body with this dark orange border, it's giving a very beautiful contrast. You can see? It's giving a very beautiful contrast. And the sari, you will see, the sari, if you see, the upper portion is light orange and the lower portion is dark orange. Okay, and since upper portion is light orange, the work is done with dark orange, and since the lower portion is dark orange, the work is done with white, green and magenta. Okay, here also you have magenta. So I'll just stand up to show you. See, this is how it goes. This is the pallu portion. So you can take a screenshot now. As I told you, you can take it at any point of time, but I'm just giving you a moment. Okay, so this is how the sari will be all over, light and dark. Okay, this is a very new and different concept. This is not something which you will find everywhere. Okay, this is something very different. See, the design is at the bottom. Okay, once again it will cover all your pleats and everything all over. Okay, and then this is the PP in orange. You can wear it with a contrast color as well, but the BP also has this light and dark. This is the dark portion, this is the lighter portion. Okay, and sari, as you can see, this is the end of the sari, the inner end of the sari. Till here you have this. This is ulta, of course. So till there you have this light and dark, half of vertically, half of running, and these are the tassels. Okay, lovely tassels. So this linen jamdani is priced at 2950. Okay, thread work done. This is not any print. All the linen jamdanis that I have showed you today and I will be showing you, they do not have any print. Okay, these are not printed. These are totally hand woven designs. Okay, the designs are all hand woven. These are not prints. Okay, these are not prints. These are all hand woven. Okay, so I'm removing this, our sari number 14, which is priced at 2950. Now coming to sari number 15, which is the same thing but in a different color. See, again red and white. So it's again red and white. Even this would go well with the solid red blouse. Now this has green also in it. Okay, there is a temple here which might appear black in camera, but this is not black, this is navy blue. Okay, this is not black, this is navy blue, and this is green. But yes, here this is black. Okay, These are black threads. Okay, such graceful sari. Okay, our sari number 15. Sari number 15, which is same like the previous one, the design, but the color is different. This is in white base and red work. Okay, this is the pallu. Wait, I'll give you a screenshot moment, which you can take. See here, you can take the screenshot. Okay. Now this one also has the same concept. Upper portion is white, lower portion is red. Okay. See this design. Will be at the lower portion. Okay, and this white and red, it is all over towards the end of the sari. You see, this is the end, inner end of the sari, and this is the blouse piece in deep red and light red. Okay, so this beautiful white and red combination would make a perfect one for any puja occasions or something. Although it has black, so anybody who would like to avoid black, you have other choices as well. But if black is not a problem for you, then you can go with this red and white combination. The sari is very soft, very comfortable. The design, it looks very prominent because it's on white. The red design, it looks very prominent on white. You know, on white and black, the designs, they come out very prominent. So this white sari, white and red sari, was our sari number 15. Sari number 16, that was also 2950. Sari number 14, 15, both were 2950, and the offer is valid till the stock is available. Once the stock is sold out, I mentioned it is sold out, please do not request me to make another piece. That won't be possible. These are all single pieces. So it's gone means it's gone. I will not be able to give you another piece like that. See, on yellow also the design looks so good. So good. This is a light yellow. This is, you know, a dual tone sort of, you know, with yellow and orange. It might appear brown in the camera, I don't know, but this is orange. Okay, this is not brown. So this is the sari. This is the lower portion, the pallu. You can take a screenshot here at this moment. This is the pallu. Okay, the tassels. And as I have showed you in my previous saris, this will run the vertical half, the yellow and orange will run throughout the sari. This design as usual is all over, and the BP is red. So you can try this BP, or you can go for a solid red BP as well. So this sari was our sari number 16, and price is 2950. Okay. This is again a linen jamdani, but the previous three saris that I have showed you, which is 14, 15 and 16, they were weaved, definitely weaved. The design was weaved, but it was thread weaved. Now these saris, they have zari weaved. Okay. The designs are zari weaved. The design is same, but the weave is in zari. This is lovely black and red, a very gorgeous combination, black and red. This is not pure red, this is maroon red, okay? those who love maroon, this one is for you, ladies. See, this is the saree. You can take a screenshot now also. Okay. See, this work which was in thread in our previous 3 sarees, this is now in zari. Okay. So this is the lower portion and this is the upper portion. So all over it's like this temple is thread weaved, but these ones that you see, these are all zari weaves. These ones, they are all zari weaved. Okay, this is red which is in thread, yellow which is in thread. Okay, the colors that you see, the colored weaves that you see are in thread, but the rest is in zari. Once again, the same thing. This upper portion design is till you tuck in, and the lower portion design is throughout. So this when falls in the pleats, it looks really lovely. The black and red combination, you see there is a red border as well at the bottom. So these little things, the small things, you know, they add to the definition of a saree. Okay. The BP is in maroon. This is the BP, maroon, and wait, I'll show you the BP. Here it goes, but try a solid black, or maybe the sleeves in maroon, the body in black or something like that. It would look even better than a linen blouse. Okay. So this is our saree number 17, which is a linen zari jamdani. Okay, because the jamdani work is done with zari, and the price is 3150. See, these were very highly priced. Okay, but for now this has come down to 3150. Okay, this is single piece. All these sarees are single piece, and you will get the saree at this price only till I have this saree. Okay, so here is another linen zari jamdani which I have showed you in red and black, priced at 3150. 2 more I will show you. So this is a lovely one, lovely piece. See, look at the dual tone. Can I show you properly? This is the dual tone, and it looks really pretty, really pretty. It's a very smart color. I wish you all could have come to my shop and could have seen it, but with this current condition, I cannot invite you also that come down to my shop. That is more of the reason why I am doing this video, so I can reach out to all my customers. Except for the local people, it's difficult for people staying far away from my place, okay, to come to my shop. And also my customers who are not in Kolkata, like maybe they are in West Bengal, or maybe they are outside West Bengal also, so they will not be able to come down to my shop definitely. Although the Kolkata people could have come down very easily, but because of this pandemic, owing to this pandemic, there are this closures, you know, the lockdown, the 2 days lockdown in every week. Then there is sanitization process going on in my shop, and it is closed for 1 day for that sanitization process. We are maintaining all sanitization standards, but still I will not invite you under these circumstances, because I wish that you stay home and stay safe till this gets over. And once this is over, this pandemic is over, please do come to my shop, because I will be bringing in various collections for you all. Okay, so unique collections will be coming. Till then, I'll be showing you all my collections on either my Facebook page, and if it is a video, it will be on my YouTube channel. So please, once again, do subscribe to my channel. This is the pallu. You can take a screenshot. Okay, and see, this is again 2 different colors. This is a dual tone, as I already showed you. This is again a dual tone. This is a very pretty sari, I tell you. This is a very lovely green color. In Bengali, we can call it, Puchikola pata. Okay, so this combination with yellow thread, the green and yellow thread is giving that color. And this is the BP. This is the tassels. These are the tassels and the pallu. Okay, design is same for the upper portion till you tuck in, and for the lower portion till the very inside. Okay, these are all zari work except for the colors that you see, the orange, then this blue, aqua blue. These are all in thread, except that the entire work is done in, except the minas, what we call. Okay, they are done in thread, but the other the other designs are all done in zari. This is a lovely sari with two beautiful color combinations. You see, if you drape this, I swear you will look very pretty. Okay, so this is our sari number 18. Sari number 18, which is zari jamdani, and it's priced at 3150. So this was our second zari jamdani, priced at 3150. Okay, and our last zari linen jamdani in zari, the last piece in sale. Okay, I have started my sale from sari number 7 and I am ending my sale at sari number 19. Okay, so 12 saris are in sale today. Sari number 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, sorry, 13 saris. 13 saris are in sale today. All the sale prices have been mentioned. I hope you have noted it down. Just in case you have not noted it down, you can contact me in WhatsApp also, or you can watch the record video once again to note the price. Okay, so this is wine, and this is pink, but not proper pink. This is deep pink. This is not baby pink. This is a sort of deep pink with bit of wine mixed. Okay, a lovely color. I cannot exactly tell you the name of that color. Okay, but if you see it, you will love it. So see, once again, the zari work you can see, as you have already seen in the previous saris, but just because it's a different color, I am showing it to you, because color choice can vary from person to person. Somebody might like white and black like me. Somebody can like red, somebody can like wine, somebody can like yellow, somebody can like green. So that is the reason why I'm opening up each sari and showing it to you. Okay, screenshot please. So this is the pallu, same as previous ones. This design all over towards the inner corner, and this design till you tuck in. Okay, it's the same for all the saris, nothing different. And this is the BB. Wow, wow. This is again vertically half off. I hope you have noticed it, although I have not mentioned. This is wine, and this is red, pink, deep pink. Okay, and this is the pallu with the lovely pom-poms, red and black pom-poms. A smile comes in my face when I see the pom-poms. I somehow love them too much. In all my saris, there are either tassels or pom-poms, because handloom saris do get that, and I love them dangling in my pallu. I love to see them dangling in my pallu like this. So these handloom saris are pure love. I tell you, these are pure love. once you drape a pure linen sari, 100 count, 120 count, you will not settle for anything else, I swear. Because I just love them so much, because I do not wear anything apart from handloom. It does not suit me somehow. Okay, so we are done with our sale items. Now this was sari number 19, our last sale item, linen zari jamdani, which is priced at 3150. Okay, now we will now move on to silk. Okay, because we have already done this video for quite long, and we have showed you a lot of linen jamdani saris. Okay, I still have linen jamdani saris, but these are not in sale. But maybe I'll come to that later on, because I've already showed you a lot of linen saris, and we have already done this video for more than 1 hour now. So first I will show you the silk saris, and then maybe we can, if we still have time, we can show you the linen jamdani saris. Okay, so this is a okay, those were sari numbers 20, 21, 22. So I'll come to that later on. Now what I'm showing you is sari number 23. Sari number 23, which is a bafta tasar. You can see I'm talking so much. In 1 hour 20 minutes, I have showed you only 19 saris. When you give me a topic like sari, I just can go on and on and on. So this is taking too much of my time. Anyway, so this is our sari number 23. Now this is a bafta tasar. This is not what you many of you have already taken from me, zari tasar, because I have sold numerous zari tasars, and each and every customer who have taken the zari tasar from me have appreciated the quality of the tasar silks that I provided. Usually I provide a silk mark. Okay, but these are bafta tasars. Okay, these saris are known as bafta tasars, and they are very soft in texture. Once again, they are easy to wear, easy to drape, and very comfortable for summers. Very comfortable for summers. Okay, so this color is in Rama green. I don't know, somewhat blue it's showing in the video. I don't know whether I should come in front or I should go back, where you can see the color, maybe here a bit. This is Rama green. Okay, I hope many of you are acquainted with the color. It's showing bit light on the camera, but it's bit dark than what you see, and the color is Rama green color. Many of you are acquainted with this color, dark teal or Rama green. Okay, you can just Google the color also, the color shade. Okay, and these are all hand block print done all over the sari. You can see this is in white, this is in orange. Okay, orange or red, no, this is somewhat orange and red mixed. Okay, so this is the bafta tasar, a very soft material. This is zari. Okay, this is zari border, but this is not just plain. See, zari border is there on either side of the sari. Okay, and in the pallu also you can see that there is zari work done, and these are the circles that you see, or whatever prints that you see on the sari. These are all block prints, hand block. Okay, so you can just Google this as well. Like hand blocks, they have blocks which we use manually. The laborers used manually to imprint them on the sari. You can take a screenshot now. Okay, a moment for the screenshot. Lovely flowers. So this bafta tasar is priced at block printed bafta tasar, zari border block printed bafta tasar in teal, dark teal or Rama green color, is priced at 3,650 rupees. Okay, this is again a single piece. Please do not request me to get this if this is sold out, to get another piece. or to get this one in another color or something like that. Bafta tassars I will be getting definitely later on, but this is a single piece, and this I cannot give you a second piece if this is sold out. Okay, this is only one piece. Lovely color, beautiful color, very soothing color, very comfortable material for the summer. And this also comes with a blouse piece. You see the designs are all over till the end. Okay, and this is, you have the blouse piece here. Okay, blouse piece. So you can make a blouse piece out of this, or you can wear any designer blouse if you want, that's up to you. But we are giving blouse pieces along with the saris. So this was our Bafta Tassar, first Bafta Tassar, block printed, hand block printed, zari border, priced at 3650. Sari was number 23. Okay, sari number 24. This is again a Bafta Tassar, very soft material. I tell you, this is very soft, very soft. I myself do have one. I love the material, and it's again so comfortable. Any comfortable material, you know, just suits me very much. And the handloom saris are the best part of any handloom saris are that they are very comfortable. Very comfortable. Please do not compare them with saris that are synthetic mixed, because any price tag is because of the quality. You know, a sari at 500 and a sari has 5,000 at 5,000 has a basic difference, and that is quality. And at Karigori Hat, we never compromise on the quality. All the customers who have, all my friends who have purchased from Karigori Hat do know that the quality of the sari that I have given is always too good, too good. I do not compromise on the quality ever. I do not sell cheaper quality saris, because you see, in today's market, when you just go and buy anything, you know, maybe a dupatta, or maybe you buy a handkerchief, you look at the price, if it is in pure cotton or something. How can I give you a sari at 500 rupees, 600 rupees, like that? You know, because the cost of the sari, it is only because of the material, that only because of the quality that we are using. Okay, so if you tell me that to sell a cheaper priced sari, then I will be compromising on the quality. Then I will have to compromise on the quality. I will have to sell synthetic mixed saris. Okay, and I don't, and I really don't want to do that. Okay, because people who wear these saris, they, when they take it from me, they understand the quality of the sari. They know the comfort level of these saris, and they do not settle for anything less, you know, for all these cheaper quality saris. So I suggest that you go for these saris who have not used them so far. Do go for these saris, and really they are beautiful. They are beautiful to look at, they are beautiful to, they are comfortable to wear. Both ways they are equally good. So this is again a zari border Bafta Tassar, and you see these hand block prints. These are all hand block prints. This is a pallu. You can take a screenshot now. A screenshot moment. Here also you can take a screenshot. See, this is how it is. All over the sari, this block print is done. The base is white. This is pink. This is grayish black. These prints are grayish black. And once again, this is the bottom, which is this pink. And then you have the zari towards the end. Zari is all over on either side of the sari. So for a bit aged people, this will be easy to carry, because this is very lightweight, okay? Anybody can wear it. I love white saris, okay? And I do wear a lot of white saris. Even I love this one also. White and magenta combination is really lovely. I love the zari tassar. I would love to drape it, because this is looking just awesome, you know. But I definitely cannot wear all of them. Okay, I have to sell them as well. I love all of my saris, and I feel like wearing all of them. Okay, screenshot. Okay, So this was my Bafta Tasar hand block printed zari border sari number 2. This is the BP or the blouse piece in magenta. Okay, you can very well make the blouse piece in this. It will look lovely with this sari. Okay, this was our sari number 24. Bafta Tasar zari border hand block printed, and the cost of this sari is 36.50, not on any offer. My sale saris are done. My offer saris were done in the beginning only. Okay, and these are my new arrivals. Okay, this is again a Bafta Tasar number 3 and my sari number 25 in today's episode. Sari number 25 in today's episode. Okay, now this is batik work. Okay, this is not hand block printed. See, this looks so lovely, so lovely. Okay, any sari you see it and you drape it, you will feel the difference. Okay, so I'm just showing it on me because I don't have you in my shop to put it on you and show you, because I would say that you stay home and stay safe, which is why I am doing this video, which I have never done before. Okay, so zari border on either side of the sari, and this lovely batik work. The base is black. Okay, the base is black. This is the pallu. You see, this is a lovely touch given. Okay, and this is the BP. You can take a screenshot now. Okay, you can take a screenshot now. Okay, so this Bafta Tasar, because this is not block printed, this is batik work done. This sari is priced at 3850. Sari number 25. It's priced at 3850. The batik, it goes up to here. Then the other half is in blue, and the batik will go in the lower portion. You see, the lower portion of the sari. This is batik all over towards the end, and this is the blouse piece, as I have already shown. So this was our zari Bafta Tasar, very soft, very comfortable material for summer. This was our sari number 35, priced at 3850, because this is batik. Okay, the block printed Bafta Tasars, 2 Bafta Tasars in block print that I have showed you are for 3650, and the last one, sari number 25, which I have showed you, a Bafta Tasar in batik, that is priced at 3850. Okay, moving on, sari number 26. Okay, now 26, 27, 28, 29, 4 saris I will show you in khadi muslin. Okay, khadi muslin. These are not matka muslin. I will not lie. Okay, and I will not take a higher price from you for something which is not that material. I do have matka muslins. I will make more episodes on YouTube where I will be showing you those matka muslins. But this is a khadi muslin in lovely peach color. You see? Look at the work. Look at the jamdani work. It's so beautiful, I tell you. It's so beautiful. See the zari work with the pink piping. This is on either side. Okay, I will open it up a little more. See, I cannot cut this video short, because if I have to show you properly, then it is going to take some time. It's already 1 hour 30 minutes. I guess I'll need some more to finish this up. I still have so many sarees left. Okay, so I want to show you in detail. Okay, so again towards the end you have this zari and the tassels. Okay, and this lovely handwork. Lovely handwork. See, these are all handwork. The pallu that you see is total handwork. Okay, total handwork. This is not done by any machine. When it is machine work, I will mention that it is machine work. When I sell embroideries with machine work, I mention so. When it is handwork, I mention so. So you can take a screenshot at this time. See, okay, lovely peach color, very soothing color, and this material is also very comfortable. You see, very comfortable material, this one. Okay, so these weavings are all over the sari, like this. Lovely peach. This is sort of a bit transparent. I will show you. It's like this. So please make sure that the material suits you before purchasing, because I do wear these type of saris. Many people do wear, but again many people do not wear. So please make sure that you understand the material before you buy it. Okay, you can take a screenshot now as well. So this is sari number 26, a khadi muslin in lovely peach color with zari border and hand woven work all over. The price for this sari is 2500 and not on any offer, and is not on any offer. This is my new collection. Okay, new collection in my stock, and the price is 2500, 2500 only. Now next color I'm showing you is a blue. After the peach colored sari, I'm coming to blue. This is royal blue and is a favorite color of many of my customers. I know that. They keep looking for blue saris, lovely blue saris. And when they wear it and send me the pictures, I tell you, God, so gorgeous they look. Okay. So those people, blue favorite people, if you are watching, please don't miss on this. I tell you, this is a lovely piece for you all. Look at the work. It's come out so beautiful in the pallu. You see? You can take a screenshot now. Okay? See, look at the pallu. It's so gorgeous. The motifs, these are all done by hand. And on blue color, this is looking really beautiful. See, look at these motifs. They are so nice, so nice. See, bright, beautiful color, royal blue. But see, this is not, this is not loud. None of the saris that I've showed you so far, none of them are loud. They are definitely, some of them are definitely bright, on the brighter side, but they are not loud. Okay. So this is a speciality. So this is khadi muslin. This hand weaves done all over the sari. Okay. In pretty blue, royal blue. I've already given you the screenshot moment. Zari borders on either side. Zari on pallu. This lovely work done, and zari towards the end of the pallu. Okay. This sari is priced at 2500. Sari number 27. The peach color khadi muslin was sari number 26. It was 2500. This is again a khadi muslin in royal blue, sari number 27. Price is 2500. Okay. Next I will come to the teal green or the rama green. This color, why I have done this color on my silk saris, on my khadi saris, the reason is this is once again a very popular color, a very favorite color of many customers who have approached me. Okay. Many people come to me looking for this color. Sometimes I'm able to give them, sometimes I'm not able to give them, People get offended, but seriously, if I do not have the saris, there is nothing that I can do about it. Okay. So see, I am here to give you the saris only, because the sarees that I'm showing you either on my page or in my shop or in the videos. I'm here to give you those sarees, and I would love to see you wearing those sarees. But once they are sold out, if you get offended with me, I really have nothing to do, because I will not be able to get that same piece once again. So grab it when you have the opportunity. So this Rama green or the teal green, which is a favorite of many of my customers, I know that. So you people, if you're watching, okay, if you're watching this video, look at the pallu, so beautiful. The same work is there definitely, but it looks different on different colors. You know, this color, in this color, this design, it looks really awesome. Look at the golden zari on top of the design and on the end of the pallu. There are tassels. Okay, lovely sari. Screenshot please. So our third khadi muslin, sari number 28, priced at 2500. This material, I will suggest that whoever does purchasing from her purchasing from Karigori Hat, please do get one of these sarees. The material is really good. These ones I have got very new in my stock now. Okay, these khadi muslins, the 4 khadi muslins that I will show you today. 2 I have showed, third I have showed, and the yellow I will show you. And I will suggest that please do go for it. And those who have not purchased yet from Karigori Hat and is watching this video, do get this piece. I tell you, this material is very comfortable, very nice, and very soothing. You know, the colors are very soothing, very lovely, and very easy to carry, very easy to drape. And even a college girl who does not wear a sari can drape this. So this is very very flexible, you can say. So this priced at 2500, sari number 28. Moving on to our sari number 29. I have to be a bit quick because I have to end this video now. It's been long time. Okay, this is in yellow. So beautiful, so beautiful. What do I say? I cannot just show you in a flash of a second and then move on, you know. So this is, I want to show you the sarees. They are such beauties. I cannot show them in few seconds. Just a few seconds are not enough. See, so beautiful work. It's looking so lovely in yellow. So lovely. Yellow favorites. Those who love yellow, this one is for you. See. So pretty. So pretty. Screenshot please. Okay, done. The flowers, these are all hand woven. I've already mentioned, so I'm not mentioning it over and over again. The material is very comfortable, bright yellow color, lovely flowers, lovely tassels, priced at 2500, sari number 29. So that was all for our khadi muslin saris. We are done with them. I have got 4 of them, all lovely colors, pretty colors. So grab yours now. Okay, now I'll quickly show you the 3 linen saris that I have. These are 150 count linen saris. Okay, now this will be sari number 20. Okay, because I missed out in between intentionally to show you those saris. These are not on any offer, but pretty saris. This is again in peach, full handwork, full handwork. These are authentic linen saris, 150 count linen saris, lovely tassels towards the end, pretty work, very pretty work. See, isn't it? Very pretty. This work is done all over the sari, you see. This looks lovely on peach color, looks just awesome. Okay. So, screenshot please. Our sari number 2020, linen jamdani, 150 count, pure hand woven. The sari is hand woven, the design is hand woven. Okay, see that this bird, there's a bird here, bird motif. Okay, branches, leaves, flowers, it's beautiful. You can feel the essence of a traditional handloom sari. Okay, so this is our 150 count linen jamdani sari number 2020. Price is 3950. This is a high count linen and hence is the price tag. Okay, so price is 3950. Please do not compare with 60 count linen or linen cotton jamdani saris. If you buy this sari, if you wear this sari, you will understand, you will feel the material and you will understand the difference. Okay, so this was our sari number 2020, priced at 3950, linen jamdani. Yet another color. The motif is different, but okay, there I have showed you bird, and I have showed you flowers, branches and all that. Okay, I have not showed you the BP in that. Let me show you the BP in this. That definitely has a BP. Okay, this is a BP. There are stripes. Okay, now this is a pallu. See, you will see deer. These are all hand woven. Okay, this I'll just show you the opposite side so you get to understand. See, this is purely hand woven. Okay, look at the deer. Look at the lovely deer. 1, 2 deer, 3 deers, 4 deers are there. See, this is lovely, beautiful. Okay, screenshot please. Okay, here goes the pallu. These are the motifs on the sari. Once again, hand woven all over the sari. This is a pretty green. Okay, I don't know what color is showing. This is pretty green color, lovely sea green, a bit darker side of sea green. Okay, see, lovely flowers, lovely flowers, beautiful all over. Okay, I've showed you the BP already. So this is our 150 count linen jamdani, priced at 3950. Very soft, very comfortable. Those who love linen, those who love premium quality saris, do get this one. Okay, this is a premium quality linen sari. Please do not compare it with cheaper quality linen saris. Okay, there are lower count linen saris, there are mixed quality linen saris. Okay, so this is something entirely different. The texture is entirely different. Those who wear premium quality saris will understand the difference, and I would suggest those who are planning to wear, they too get one of these. Okay, this is in gray color. See, this is so sober, so beautiful, so beautiful. This again has got birds. See, lovely birds. You can see, purely hand woven. This has a class, you know. This weaves this sort of premium handloom saris. Look at this. This is so graceful, so graceful. Again, I feel like draping this. This has a blouse piece like this with red stripes. This will look good with the sari. You can try a solid red also if you want. Okay, this does not have any black. So pink, blue, 2 shades of blue, pink, red, yellow, green, all sort of colors it has got. You can wear this BP because see, you have this stripes in the pallu. So this BP would go well. Okay, same thing. The design all over towards the bottom and top portion towards the end where you tuck it. Lovely piece item, beautiful one, very elegant, very sober. Okay, once you drape it, accessorize it properly, and I'm sure that you are going to get numerous compliments. Okay, this was our sari number 22. Okay, 20, 21, 22, 3 high count linen saris, linen jamdani saris I have showed you today. They are all priced at 3950. All right, 3950. Okay, finally the last one. I finished it up in 2 hours. I cannot show you 30 saris in 30 minutes. It's not possible. So if you are watching my show, keep some time in hand. I will elaborately talk on each of my beauties. I love them. This is very soft, very soft, very lightweight, very lightweight. This is our sari number 30. Okay, this is pure matka and this is shibori. This is not any machine work. This is hand shibori done. Okay, when you get the sari in your hand, you will be able to understand. You'll be able to feel and understand. The material is pure matka. A lovely combination in blue and green. A very hot combination. In fact, the tassels. Lest I forget to show you the BP. There's a blue BP. You can very well go with this BP. And use this blouse piece to make your sari. To make your blouse. Okay. And here you have a bar. And this is the end of the pallu. So just this bar is separating the sari from the pallu. But if you drape it, see, this looks so classy. And the material is very lightweight, easy to drape, easy to carry. Once again, people who do not even wear sari, girls and women who are not used to wearing sari every day, not used to carry a sari every day, can wear these kind of saris because they are very lightweight, very easy to drape, okay, and very easy to carry throughout the day even. Okay, so young girls or aged women can also carry these sort of saris. So screenshot please. So this was our final sari for this episode, for our very first episode, sari number 30, a matka shibori sari. Price is 5250. 5250 is the price of our matka shibori sari number 3030. So today I have showed you 30 saris in total. Okay, some of which had discounts which are available only for today, and then there are some saris which are on sale, and there are some new collections like the Bafta Tasar, the Khadi Muslin, and the Matka Shibori. I have showed you one color. Maybe I'll come up with more colors later on, but for today I have just this color. Okay, so these 30 saris are available for booking now. On whoever pays first, like I have told you previously, that person will get the sari. Okay, and I will be replying to messages as I receive it. Okay, on my Facebook page, Messenger, or on my WhatsApp, based on the time. Like the first message I receive, I'll reply to that message first, like that. Okay. So my WhatsApp number, once again, it will be displayed on my description. It is there on my page, but still I will mention it. My WhatsApp number is 9123775200. Okay, you can send me a WhatsApp over here, and please do send me the screenshot. Okay, you can mention the sari number, but please do send me the screenshot so that there is no confusion and I do not end up sending a wrong sari. Please, the screenshot is very important. Okay, so that's it for today, and I've already mentioned pretty much everything. In case I've missed out anything, please do WhatsApp me or give me a call in the same number 9123775200 to clarify if you have not understood anything regarding the booking process or the shipping. Okay, shipping, as I mentioned, in Kolkata it is free, but if it is going outside Kolkata, even if it is in any part of West Bengal or outside West Bengal, the shipping has to be borne by the buyer. We also do international shipping. Okay, so anybody who wants the saris to be shipped, not only these saris, but any sari that you see on my page, okay, if you want them to be shipped internationally, then it can be done. We use international couriers and ship them. The shipping has to be borne by the buyer itself. Okay, so that's it for today. friends, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be coming up with more videos from time to time. And if you like my sarees, please do give a thumbs up, please do like my video, and please do share it with your friends, relatives, okay, so that they also get to see my sarees, my collection. My shop is at Baguyati AC Market, but for now the shop is opening and closing like that because of this pandemic situation. There are lockdowns 2 days a week, there is sanitization process going on sometimes, so please do make an appointment if you want to drop into my shop. But I would prefer that you sit at home and give your order, because that is the reason why I have made this video, because if it is not clear in a picture, you can watch this video. Okay, so a video I have made for the stock available at my shop, so that you can sit at home and order your sari. All right, stay home, stay safe, take care. So until my next episode, bye bye everyone.